What do you get when you mix an artistic grandpa, a loyal dog, a snowy forest, and a legendary character from Journey to the West? You get something truly magical. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For those of you who might not know, the Ox Demon King is a powerful and iconic character from the classic Chinese novel, Keys, Journey to the West. Bringing such a formidable figure to life out of snow and twigs is no small feat. But this gentleman was more than up for the challenge. The process itself was a sight to behold. It started with a solid foundation of packed snow, slowly building up the massive frame of the Demon King. The real genius, though, was in the details. He used dry, gnarled branches to form the skeleton of the sculpture, giving it structure and a surprisingly lifelike posture. These branches became the bones, the horns, and the defining features that would later make the sculpture so recognizable. It asks this beautiful partnership between man and his best friend that adds an extra layer of warmth to this chilly creative session. As the basic structure took shape, it was already impressive. A giant, seated figure looming powerfully amidst the quiet, snowy trees. But the real transformation was yet to come. The most incredible part of this project wasn't just the sculpting, it was the painting. Once the snow and branches were perfectly in place, our artists broke out the paints. This is where the Ox Demon King truly came alive. With careful strokes, he began to add color. He painted the face with fierce, determined eyes, giving it a personality that seemed to jump right out of the pages of the novel. The armor was detailed with vibrant reds and golds, contrasting beautifully against the stark white snow. He didn't miss a single detail, from the menacing look on the Demon King's face to the intricate patterns on his battle attire. The branches that formed the massive horns were painted a dark, imposing color, making them look just like the real thing. The finished product was absolutely breathtaking. Standing tall in the middle of the forest, the Ox Demon King looked like he had just stepped out of a mythical realm. The colors were so vivid against the winter backdrop, creating a scene that was both surreal and awe-inspiring. It was a perfect fusion of nature, art, and storytelling. It wasn't just a snow sculpture, it was a piece of high-level art, a tribute to a timeless tale. Imagine walking through the woods and stumbling upon this incredible creation. You'd probably think you'd wandered into another world. The sheer scale and detail are astonishing. The armor looks weathered and battle-worn. The expression on the face is full of pride and power. You can almost hear the epic stories of his battles echoing through the silent forest. It's as a testament to the artist's skill and his deep appreciation for the character he was creating. What I love most about this is the pure joy of creation. This man wasn't doing it for fame or for a competition. He was doing it for the love of art, for the challenge, and probably just to have a fun day in the snow with his dog. It's a powerful reminder that we can find our canvas anywhere. For him, it was a pile of snow and a few dead branches in his backyard. He saw potential where others might just see a cold, empty space. This story quickly went viral, and for good reason. People from all over the world were amazed by his talent and dedication. It resonated with so many because it's a story about passion. It shows that no matter your age or where you are, you can create something beautiful and share it with the world. It's also a wonderful example of cultural exchange. Here you have an American man in a snowy American forest paying homage to a classic character from Chinese literature. Art truly has no borders. It also makes you think about all the hidden talents people have. How many other grandpas and grandmas out there are secretly master sculptors, painters, or storytellers? It encourages us all to look at the people around us, especially our elders, and appreciate the incredible skills and stories they hold. And maybe it inspires us to pick up a new hobby ourselves, no matter how old we are. The relationship between the man and his dog is the cherry on top. It's a quiet, beautiful bond that speaks volumes without a single word. Every great artist needs a muse, and for this man, it seems his loyal, furry friend was all the inspiration he needed. So what can we take away from this? First, never underestimate the power of a little snow and a lot of imagination. What do you guys think of this snow sculpture? Have you ever seen anything like it? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you've ever built an epic snow creation of your own, I definitely want to hear about it. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this story, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Stay creative, and we'll see you in the next one.